Every now and again, Goil makes good things happen. This time, Goil has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. Goil Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. Goil Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. Goil Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with Goil Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. Goil has that sorted. Goil, good energy.
Tap into the convenience of ABSA contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Around your humble servant, Odumase. I'm a tight nurse of crowd into the Mucha. That's what that Jimmy. My 277. What's your missa? How the Bemaya? Papa, to go so. 2020 was a very tough year. 2021, dear. Mafia. First, me talk about Gary Kitwebi. They said the concrete and casa and the medigum. Papi, Minister System in my thing. Has been so dear, but me I am a kama. I am young palm, the Miamato. Show me a miracle.
It's showering cash with a grand prize of 100,000 Ghana cedis in the Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. Top up, do so much more on Airtel Tigo and earn points to win lots of cash. Dial star 500 hash and recharge 5 Ghana cedis to also win data and call minutes. Get Airtel Tigo.
I tell Tigo no, my dear.
It's scary, isn't it? Putting yourself out there, facing your fears. All you need to do is keep trying and give it everything you've got, because everything you need to achieve the impossible is already inside. So here's to the ones who give 100%. We celebrate you.
This advert is FDA approved.
Dano Milk. Go for it.
Yo, Charlie, what's up?
Bro, I do.
It's that time of the year again.
Abi, you know, we made it last year. What will be the challenge for today?
Time travel is possible. All we have to do is find E.
This one day, we gonna need more time for that.
But we have the best data bundles.
Yeah, bro, I see.
Do more with Ghana's best data bundles on Airtel Tigo. Big time data, Sika Coco, Morning Rush, and other amazing offers. Dial star 111 hash now.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Today, the question is no longer, why do we have problems? But rather, how can we spin those challenges into opportunities? This is the revolutionary mindset we, students here at Academic City, are driven by. Academic City, we believe that the challenges of today are nothing like the opportunities of tomorrow. Hence, we're poised for the future. And so we say,
come join us.
Pakuli.
Biasonyan.
Oyayi Tibatane.
Zafula Nabia.
Viens nous rejoindre.
Brabe Kanya.
Aw, Amanasat Shame Hojao.
As we lead the charge to empower the next generation of future leaders. Academic City University College, redefining university education.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long tail. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy.
Here's innovation from Goyle that takes you further. New Gold Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes have been expertly crafted with the latest in liquid engineering technology, highly advanced for modern engines, prolongs oil change intervals, save you fuel, clean, protect and enhance engine performance. The way engines work has become complex, and Goyle has innovated to stay ahead with expertly crafted lubricants that work excellently with all petrol and diesel engines of today. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes. Innovation that takes you further. Goyle. Good energy.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
We are offering our new and over 26 million existing customers worldwide an absolutely free COVID-19 cover. Yes, absolutely free. A couple of reasons. The satisfaction of knowing that you know we care. It's in conformity with who we are, the core of identity. We have a value of initiative that constantly drives us and to push the bar. We have a mantra, always listening, always understanding, and we back that up. Customer satisfaction is important to us. We have been doing this for over 170 years. We have honored our promise throughout the years. We were there in 1848 during the cholera pandemic, the sinking of the Titanic in 1912 through World Wars I and II, 1918 Spanish flu epidemic, through the decade of the Great Depression, 2002 SARS outbreak. And we certainly have every retention of unreal claims for this 2020 coronavirus pandemic. Hi, my name is Razak Abdul, and I'm the head of customer service here at Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. I invite you all to join the Prudential Life family today.
Alande, make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. We be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks, city check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life. Like I'm simple and easy.
Every now and again, Goil makes good things happen. This time, Goil has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. Goil Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. Goil Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. Goil Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with Goil Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. Goil has that sorted. Goil, good energy.
Tap into the
Hello everyone, a very welcome to the 1/8 stage of the National Championship of the 2022 National Science and Maths Quiz. In this contest, we have Kumasi Secondary Technical School, Konongo Odumase Senior High School. And St. Mary's Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Kumasi Secondary Technical is represented by
Michael J. Ekufu. Emmanuel Nane Champon.
Kumasi Secondary Technical, tell us about your experience this year in the NSMQ.
It has not been easy, but God being our side, we were able to sail through the prelims.
What should we expect from you in this contest?
The very best.
Okay, best wishes to you. Then we have Konongo Odumase Senior High School. They are represented by
Amponsa Entry Ernest. Jemfi Kelvin.
Konongo Odumase Senior High School. Tell us about your experience so far in the NSMQ.
Oh, I would say so far the Lord has done too much for us. Last year, our seniors were able to seed us, and this year too, we are here to maintain the seed and go further.
Best wishes to you.
Thank you.
Finally, the ladies from St. Mary's Senior High School are
Wasila Habib, final year.
Esa Stephanie, final year.
St. Mary's, how about you? How has your journey been so far in the NSMQ 2022?
It has not been easy at all, but God has been our strength through it all, and we shall glorify God.
Best wishes to you as well, St. Mary's Senior High School. I am Dr. Thelma Hinieje, a lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance, Airtel Tigo, GNPC, Dano Milk, Newmont Ghana, Puma Drinks, Academic City University College, Accra College of Medicine, Studio HD, and YFM. This is a primetime production. To our competing schools, this contest will come to you in 5 rounds. In round 1, which is where we'll start, a series of questions will be asked of your school. And if you give a correct answer, you'd have 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, another school can take up your question as a bonus question. When they answer correctly, they'll be awarded 1 point. If your answer to a bonus question is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. If your question involves calculations, you have 30 seconds to answer. If there are no calculations, 10 seconds. And I'll take your answer in 1 attempt. In this round, I'll begin with Kumasi Secondary Technical. A preamble to all the schools. Find the center of mass for the given configuration of particles. Find the center of mass for the given configuration of particles. Kumasi Sectech. A 2 kilogram particle at 3I plus J meters a 3 kilogram particle at minus 3I plus j meters, and a 1 kilogram particle at 9I plus j meters. Yes, Emmanuel.
Okay, madam. The center of mass is 6 kilograms and it is located at 8I plus 2J.
No. A bonus. Okay. Konongo Odumase Senior High School. A 3 kilogram particle at minus I plus 2J meters. A 3 kilogram particle at 2I plus J meters. And a 1 kilogram particle at 18I minus 2J meters. Yes, Ernest.
Madam, we have it to be a fraction with numerator 21I plus 7J and denominator 19I plus J.
No. A bonus. Okay, St. Mary's. A 4 kilogram particle at I minus 2J meters. A 3 kilogram particle at minus I plus J meters. And a 1 kilogram particle at 7I minus 3J meters. Yes, Stephanie.
The center of mass is 2.2 kilograms at 5I minus 4J meters.
No. Okay. Kumasi Sectec, your answer was I plus J meters. Konongo Odumase, 3I plus J meters. And then St. Mary's, I minus J meters. A preamble. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the given curve. Okay, so find the coordinates of the stationary point or points as it applies of the given curve. Kumasi Sectec, y equals the expression x squared minus 1 over the expression x plus 1. Yes, Emmanuel.
1, 0.
No. A bonus. Konongo Odumase, y equals x squared over the expression x plus 1. Yes, Ernest.
Madam, it has no stationary point.
Repeat that.
It has no stationary point.
No, it has. A bonus. Okay, St. Mary's, y equals 1 over the expression x squared plus 1. Yes, Stephanie.
The coordinator, it's 10.
No. Okay, so here you were differentiating, and Kumasi Sectec, there was no stationary point. Konongo Odumase, 0, 0, and then -2, -4. And then St. Mary's, rather 0, 1. The point was 0, 1. Kumasi Sectec, an individual may suffer from both myopia and hypermetropia defects. What name is given to this condition? Yes, okay. Go ahead.
Madam, it is short-sightedness.
No. A bonus to Konongo Odumase.
Madam, astigmatism.
No. It's presbyopia. Presbyopia. Konongo Odumase. What causes presbyopia in an individual? What causes presbyopia in an individual?
No. Presbyopia is present in an individual's eye, or is caused when an individual has an irregular shaped eyeball, or the eyeball is too long or too short, such that rays that are coming are either focused in front or focused behind the retina, such that the individual will suffer from both short-sightedness and long-sightedness.
2 out of 3. St. Mary's. So what you are describing is that the eye loses the power of accommodation. And I wanted you to use the right biological terms, okay? So that's why I gave you partial marks. St. Mary's. What type of lens is often required by an individual suffering from presbyopia? What lens? Yes. Yes, go ahead.
Biconcave lens.
No. A bonus. Konongo Odumase. Yes.
A bifocal lens.
That's correct. Kumasi Sectec. Give the name of the product formed when ethanoic acid is heated with ammonia. Go ahead.
Okay, madam, we have ethanamide. Ethanamide.
That's correct. Konongo Odumase. Give the name of the product formed when pentanoic acid is heated with ethanol in the presence of an acid. Yes.
Ethyl pentanoate.
That's correct. Okay, so Konongo Odumase Senior High School and Kumasi Sectec. If we make this noise after every question, This contest is going to run into hours, please. Celebration in moderation, okay? So we can be on time. St. Mary's. Give the name of the product formed when methyl benzene is heated with acidified potassium permanganate. Yes, Stephanie.
Ethyl benzene.
No. A bonus to Konongo Odumase.
Madam, benzoic acid.
That's correct. So also in this round, if you have an answer, speak into the microphone. Don't wait for me to call you lest you are bailed out, okay? If your hand is up and I haven't called you, just speak. A preamble. Students in a physics lab determine the mean period T of small amplitude oscillations of simple pendula of length L. Estimate the magnitude of local gravity using the values the students obtained. I'll take that again. Students in a physics laboratory determined the mean period T of small amplitude oscillations of simple pendula of length L. Estimate the magnitude of local gravity using the values the students obtained. Kumasi Sectech, the values your students obtained are L equals 1.25 meters and T equals 2.24 seconds. Go ahead, Emmanuel.
We have 19.8 meter per second squared.
No. It's a bonus. Okay, Konongo Odumase. L equals 1.40 meters, and then T equals 2.25 seconds. Yes, if you have an answer, speak into the microphone.
We have it to be 9.8 meter per second squared.
No. St. Mary's. L equals 1.90 meters and T equals 2.75 seconds. Yes.
5.7 meters per second squared.
No. Okay. Kumasi Sectech, your answer was 9.83 meters per second squared. Konongo Odumase, 10.9 meters per second squared. Then St. Mary's, 9.91 meters per second squared. A preamble. A line segment from a point outside the circle intersects the circle at points A and B. Find the length of the tangent PT from P to the circle if a line segment from a point outside the circle intersects the circle at points A and B. Find the length of the tangent PT from P to the circle if PA equals 10 centimeters and PB equals 40 centimeters. Yes.
20 centimeters.
Yes, that's correct. Konongo Odumase, PA equals 9 centimeters and PB equals 36 centimeters. Yes, Ernest.
54 centimeters.
No. Yes, a bonus to Kumasi Sectec.
18 centimeters.
That's correct. St. Mary's. PA equals 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. And PB equals 18 centimeters. Yes, Wasila.
34 centimeters.
No. Yes, Konongo Odumase.
Madam, 16 centimeters.
No. It's 12 centimeters. A preamble. State how genetic modifications of plants can be useful. So I want each school to give me one reason. Okay, state how genetic modifications of plants can be useful. I want each school to tell me one. I'll start with Kumasi Sectec. How are genetic modifications useful?
Okay, madam. They are useful in the sense that they produce variations of plants. That they produce different kinds of plants which produce different traits, or which have different traits.
No. A bonus. If you have two answers, you can ring your bell. Okay, Konongo Odumase, your answer.
Madam, variations in plants like polyploidy results in plants that are adapted to producing bigger fruits or fruits with higher quality.
Yes. St. Mary's. Go ahead.
To produce high yield and to create plants that have resistance to diseases.
Yes, yes, I'll take it. So, and this is why I deliberated a bit. Kumasi Sectec, you just told me what the modifications result in. I said, how are they useful? So they are useful because the plants would cause plants to improve the yield. We have food of a higher nutritional value, like they said, bigger fruits. It reduces post-harvest losses. It reduces the use of chemical pesticides. And also it helps plants to tolerate or adapt to abiotic stresses like drought or fire. Okay. Okay. Determine the total number, this is a preamble. Determine the total number of electrons present in a balanced equation of each of the following reactions taking place in an acidic medium. Acidic medium. Indicate whether the electrons are released or required during the reaction. I'll take the preamble again, and they need 30 seconds for this set of questions. Determine the number of electrons present in a balanced equation of each of the following reactions taking place in acidic medium. Indicates whether the electrons are released or required during the reaction. Kumasi Sectec, BrO2 minus going into Br2. Yeah, okay.
Okay, madam. 3 electrons are required, and then the total number of electrons is 3, and then they are required for the reaction.
No, a bonus. Okay, Konongo Odumase ASO4 3 minus going to AS3 plus. Yes, go ahead.
Madam, we have the number of electrons required to be 2 electrons, and they are being added, or they are required.
Yes, that's correct. St. Mary's, ClO minus going into Cl4 minus. ClO minus going into ClO4 minus. Yes.
The number of electrons is 3, and they are required.
No, a bonus. Okay, so we were just to balance these reactions, and then Kumasi Sectec, 6 electrons were required. There is 6 electrons released. Okay, that brings us to the end of round 1.
In Ghana, with the purpose of creating value and improving the lives of our stakeholders through sustainable and responsible mining.
Every now and again, Goil makes good things happen. This time, Goil has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. Goil Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. Goil Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. Goil Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with Goil Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. Goil has that sorted. Goil, good energy.
Tap into the
Newmont Africa is a subsidiary of Newmont Corporation.
At the end of round 1, the scores are St. Mary's Senior High School, 3 points. Kumasi Secondary Technical School, 7 points. Konongo Odumase Senior High School, 11 points. Round 2. Round 2 is the speed race, and here, every question that is read out is open to all schools at the same time. The first school to ring their bell and gives the correct answer will have 3 points. If a second school rings their bell because the first answer is incorrect, that question is worth 2 points if they give me a correct answer. If that second answer is also incorrect, the last school can ring their bell if they so desire. But at that point, if they answer correctly, they have only 1 point. At any time, an incorrect answer attracts a penalty point of 1. Our first question. Find the coordinates of the stationary point or points of y equals the expression x squared plus 1 to the power 10. Y equals the expression x squared plus 1 to the power 10. Yes, Kumasi Tech.
01.
That's correct. Find the area of the finite region bounded by the axis. So axis, plural, AX, yes. And the line 3x equals 5y equals 30. 3x minus 5y equals 30. Find the area of the finite region bounded by the axis, plural axis, and the line 3x minus 5y equals 30. Konongo Odumase.
30 square units.
No. Okay, it's 25. Given vectors A equals 5i minus 2j and B equals 10i plus 10j, find the length of the vector B minus A. Kumasi Tech.
13 units.
That's correct. Find the impedance of an RC circuit whose reactance is 40 ohms and whose resistance is 96 ohms. One oh four 104 ohms, 104 ohms. The forces acting on a 3 kilogram particle are 3I plus 4j newtons, minus 5I plus 12j newtons, and minus 6I minus j newtons. Find the magnitude of the resultant force on the particle. Yes, Konongo Odumase. Yes.
Okay, so we have
yes.
Okay. 17 Newton.
I'll take it, and that's your last warning. You are just wasting time, and another school kept ringing their bell. The mass of a particle in a dust cloud is 4.5 times 10 to the power minus 9 kilograms. Find the root mean square speed of the particle when the temperature of the cloud is such that the mean kinetic energy of a cloud particle is 9 millijoules. (2,000 meters per second). Name the substance formed when carbon monoxide binds with myoglobin. Kumasi Sek.
Carbaminoglobin.
Repeat that.
Carbaminoglobin.
No. Konongo Odumase.
I have it to be carboxyhemoglobin.
No. Okay. Carboxymyoglobin. What name is given to the type of pollination in which pollen is dispersed by the flow of water, especially in rivers and streams? Type of pollination where pollen is dispersed by flow of water. Hydrophily. What is the function of phospholipids in plasma membrane? Yes, Kumasi Sek.
Okay, madam. Phospholipids are the bilayers which regulate the movement of substances in and out of the cell and also bind with proteins to conduct other substances moving in and out of the cell. And they are semi-permeable.
No. Konongo Odumase.
Madam, the phospholipids are responsible for producing the fluidity, that's the fluid nature, the fluidity of the cell membrane, and hence allowing entry of substances into it by giving it the fluid nature or making it fluidity.
No. Okay, so this is a speed race, so you have to be very specific. So it regulates the passage of water-soluble molecules, not just any substances at all, water-soluble. In an experiment being conducted in the lab, a student expects to produce 9.8 grams of product from a reaction involving two reactants of respective masses, 8.2 grams and 11 grams. Instead, she obtained only 4.2 grams of product. What is the percentage yield of the reaction? Konongo Odumase.
40.
4.2 by 10 exponent 1 gram.
No. Okay, it's 43%. 43%. Determine the sum of the coefficients of all reactants and products in a balanced equation of the reaction O2 plus NH3 plus CH4 given H2O plus HCN. Yes. St. Mary's.
15.
Yes, that's correct. How many atoms are present in the empirical formula of 2,4-dimethylhexane? How many atoms are present in the empirical formula of 2,4-dimethylhexane? Kumasi Sek. Your answer?
25 atoms.
No. Konongo Odumase.
24 atoms.
No. St. Mary's.
22 atoms.
No. So the molecular formula of 2,4-dimethylhexane is C8H18. Therefore, the empirical formula is C4H9. 4 plus 9, 13. That brings us to the end of round 2.
Your humble servant, Konongo Odumase. And a tightness of crowd into me, as well as Jimmy. My 277. What's your missa? Had been my papa to go me so. 2020 was a very tough year. 2021, dear, mafia. First, me talk about Gary Kitwebi. They said the concrete and cassa and the medigum. Papi, when the system in my day, has been so dear, but me I am a kama. I am young palm, the Miamato. Show me a miracle.
It's showering cash with a grand prize of 100,000 Ghana cedis in the Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. Top up, do so much more on Airtel Tigo and earn points to win lots of cash. Dial star 500 hash and recharge 5 Ghana cedis to also win data and call minutes. Get Airtel Tigo.
Airtel Tigo, no, my dear,
Every now and again, Goil makes good things happen. This time, Goil has introduced Super XP Ron 95, a higher grade fuel loaded with additives and yet sold at the same price as normal fuel. Goil Super XP Ron 95 enhances engine performance like never before. It maintains the engine by keeping it clean from carbon deposits. Goil Super XP Ron 95 is designed to burn slowly and thus improves fuel economy, making you save money after several kilometers. Goil Super XP Ron 95 gives you a smooth driving experience, that is, less vibrations. Fill up with Goil Super XP Ron 95. Now there's no need to pay more for any higher grade fuel. Goil has that sorted. Goil, good energy.
Tap into the convenience of APSA.
At the end of the second round, here are the scores. St. Mary's Senior High School, 5 points. Konongo Odumase Senior High School, 9 points. Kumasi Secondary Technical School, 10 points. Round 3. Round 3 is the round of the problem of the day. In this round, a common problem is presented to all 3 schools, and a solution is required from them in 4 minutes on the screen. After 4 minutes, a bell will go to indicate that you should take your seat. When I come to the board to assess your solutions, I'll come back to my seat, explain the solution as has been presented by the consultant, and explain how I awarded the marks. At stake in this round is what we call the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star. This star will be awarded to a school that wins a perfect score of 10 points. At this stage, the star is worth 2,400 Ghana cedis to the team. Kindly take your sheets, flip it over, and let's read the problem of the day together. An insulated conducting sphere of radius 4.00 centimeters is charged to a potential of 96.0 volts. Find the net charge carried by the sphere and state how it is distributed. Determine the sphere's surface charge density. Determine the magnitude of the electric field on the surface of the sphere. Find the potential of the sphere when its charge is increased by 0.573 nanocoulombs. Start work. Stop work. Okay, the schools have presented their solutions on the screen. And then before I let on the marks that was awarded in this round, I'll go through the solution as provided by the consultant. So this problem of the day was from physics. They were told that an insulated conducting sphere of radius 4.00 cm was charged to a potential of 96.0 volts. They were to find the net charge carried by the sphere. They were to determine and state how it is distributed. They were to determine the sphere's surface charge density. They were to determine the magnitude of the electric field on the surface of the sphere. and they were to find the potential of the sphere when its charge is increased by 0.573 nanocoulombs. Okay, so in this R, in the solution I'll present, R is the radius of the sphere, Q is the charge on it, and V is the surface potential. So the net charge on the sphere will be given by Q equals 4 pi E naught RV. And then if you put in the values you calculated, you come to 0.427 nanocoulombs. And this is uniformly distributed on the sphere. So that will be for the solution for 1. For 2, since all the net charge is uniformly distributed on the surface charge density therefore is Q over 4 pi R squared. If you calculated that, you would come to 21.2 nanocoulomb per meter squared. The third question, because the sphere is conducting the electric field is normal to the surface and has magnitude, E will be equal to Q over 4 pi E naught R squared, which is, this would also come to 2,400 volts per meter. And for the fourth solution, if the net charge was increased by 0.573 nanocoulomb, the net charge will be 1.00 nanocoulomb, and the surface potential you calculate, making V the subject, and this will bring you to 225 volts. Okay. So the first part of the solution was the biggest one. If you solved it, you had all the values for the next. So for part 1, if you were able to solve it, that would be 4 marks. Part 2, 2 marks, 3, 2 marks, and then 4, also another 2 marks. So to the solution from the school, St. Mary's. So they started with the first part. I think they wrote the formula down, and that was it. They just put in the values. They didn't come to an answer. They didn't move on beyond that. So they would have 2 points. For Kumasi Sectec as well, they also started with part 1. They put in the values, and I'm not sure what went wrong. They actually swapped. They made the numerator the denominator, and yeah, they went on to part 2, also stated a formula, but then didn't go on beyond that. So they would have 2 points as well. Konongo Odumase Senior High School, however, was able to solve all of part 1, and that was where it ended. So they will have 4 points. And that brings us to the end of round 3.
Tap into the convenience of ABSA contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy, and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Around your humble servant, Konongo Odumase. I'm a tight nurse of crowd into the Mucha. I swear that, Jimmy. My 277. What's your missa? How the Bemaya? Papa, to go so. 2020 was a very tough year. 2021, dear. Mafia. First, me talk about Gary Kitwebi. They say the concrete and casa and the medigum. Papi, in the system, no more thing. Has been so dear, but me, I am a kama. I am young palm, the Miamato. Show me a miracle.
It's showering cash with a grand prize of 100,000 Ghana cedis in the Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. Top up, do so much more on Airtel Tigo and earn points to win lots of cash. Dial star 500 hash and recharge 5 Ghana cedis to also win data and call minutes. Get Airtel Tigo.
Airtel Tigo, no, my dear Nibium.
At the end of round 3, the scores are St. Mary's Senior High School 7 points. Kumasi Secondary Technical School, 12 points. And then Konongo Odumase Senior High School, 13 points. Before we move on to round 4, St. Mary's Senior High School would like Michaelina Apia to come on for Stephanie Issa. Round 4. In this round, I'll make a series of statements to each school, and I want you to tell me whether the statement I read out to you is true or false. If you answer correctly, 2 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. If you are bailed out, that question becomes available to another school. And if a school rings for it, they can answer for the same rules. 2 points if they are correct, and a penalty point of 1 if their answer is incorrect. In this round, once again, I'll start from Kumasi Secondary Technical. Kumasi Sectech. Species. Species richness only considers the number of different species in an ecosystem, not their distribution. Yes, Michael.
False.
No, it's true. Konongo Odumase. Tropical rainforests are the most diverse of the terrestrial ecosystems. Yes, Ernest.
It's false.
No, it's true. St. Mary's. The higher the number of species that can be supported in an ecosystem, the lower the rate of survival for every organism inside that ecosystem. Yes.
True.
No, it's false. A preamble. In the following, M and N are positive integers, and A is a positive real number. M and N are positive integers, and A is a positive real number. And listen to these carefully. Kumasi Sectech. The mth root of A to the power N equals A to the power M over N. The power is M over N. So the mth root of A to the power N equals A to the power M over N. And M over N is the power. Yes, Michael.
False.
Yes, it's false. Konongo Odumase. The mth root of A to the power N equals the nth root of A to the power M. Yes, Ernest.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. St. Mary's. The mth root of A to the power N equals A to the power N over M. The power is N over M. Yes.
True.
Yes, that is true. Kumasi Sectech. A charge moves in the direction of an electric field line. Yes. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Konongo Odumase. A positive charge moves in the direction of an electric field line, whereas a negative charge moves in the opposite direction. Yes, Ernest.
Madam, is false.
Yes, it's false. St. Mary's. In the absence of any forces other than the force due to an electric field, a positive charge moves in the direction of an electric field line, whereas a negative charge moves in the opposite direction. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi Sectec. The oxidation state of oxygen in CaO2 is -2. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Konongo Odumase. The oxidation state of boron in NaBH4 is +3. Yes, Ernest.
It's false.
No, it's true. St. Mary's. The oxidation state of phosphorus in H4P2O7 is +3. Yes.
False.
Yes, that is false. A preamble indicates whether the following are true or false with respect to bronchioles. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to bronchioles. Kumasi Sectec. They carry oxygen-rich air into the lungs and carry carbon dioxide-rich air out of the lungs. Yes, Michael.
False.
No, it's true. Konongo Odumase. The smooth muscle that surrounds the bronchioles can constrict or dilate the airway, which can aid in getting the proper amount of oxygen into the blood. Yes, Ernest.
It's false.
No, it's true. St. Mary's. As bronchi transition into bronchioles, they lose some of the structural elements that define a bronchus. Yes, Michaelina.
False.
No, it's true. Kumasi Sectec. The series 10 plus 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 plus on it goes is an exponential series. Yes, Michael.
True.
Yes, it's true. Konongo Odumase. The sequence 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 on it goes is a linear sequence. Yes.
It's true.
No, it's false. St. Mary's. The series 1 plus half squared plus 2/3 squared plus 3/4 squared is an exponential series. Yes, Michaelina.
True.
No, it's false. A preamble. The current in a resistor R is 0.5 amperes when the potential difference across it is 5 volts. The current in the resistor is 0.8 amperes when the potential difference across it is 6 volts. I'll take that again. The current in a resistor R is 0.5 amperes when the potential difference across it is 5 volts. The current in the resistor is 0.8 amperes, when the potential difference across it is 6 volts. Kumasi Sectec, the resistor does not obey Ohm's law. Michael.
True.
Yes, it's true. Konongo Odumase, an ohmic resistor whose resistance is 10 ohms carries the same current as R when the potential difference across each of them is 5 volts. Yes, Ernest.
It's false.
No, it's true. St. Mary's. The power dissipated by a 10 ohm resistor at 6 volts is greater than the power dissipated by R at 6 volts. Yes.
False.
Yes, that is false. Kumasi Sectec. Phenol is a stronger acid than 4-nitrophenol. Yes, Michael.
False.
Yes, it's false. Konongo Odumase. Benzoic acid is a stronger acid than phenol. Yes, Ernest.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. St. Mary's. 4-nitrobenzoic acid is a stronger acid than benzoic acid. Yes.
False.
No, it's true. And that brings us to the end of round 4.
It's scary, isn't it? Putting yourself out there. Facing your fears. All you need to do is keep trying and give it everything you've got, because everything you need to achieve the impossible is already inside you. So here's to the ones who give 100%. We celebrate you.
This advert is FDA approved.
Dano Milk. Go for it.
At the end of round 4, here are the scores. St. Mary's Senior High School, 11 points. Konongo Odumase Senior High School, 14 points. Kumasi Secondary Technical School, 22 points. Round 5. The final round of this contest, I'll present to you 4 different riddles. I want you to solve for these riddles, and I'll assist you by reading out a series of clues to the riddles. At any time when I'm reading, if you have an answer, ring your bell. I'll pause and allow you to give the answer. If your answer is correct on the first clue, you'd have 5 points. If it's correct on the second clue, 4 points. Any clue thereafter, you'd have 3 points. However, if your answer is incorrect, you stay out of that particular riddle and come back for the next one. This means there's only one attempt at giving me the answer for the riddle. In this round, we have what we call the Goal Riddle Bonanza. And this will reward the school that solves 3 or 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, solving 3 riddles will fetch you 1,200 Ghana cedis for your team. And if you solve all the riddles correctly, you win 1,600 Ghana cedis for your team. Best wishes with the Goal Riddle Bonanza. Our first riddle. I am a particle. I am one of the particles that make up atoms. I have a mass of about 938 mega electron volts. Okay. Yes, Konongo Odumase.
Madam, electron.
No. St. Mary's.
Proton.
Yes, it's a proton. Okay. I always go into relationships with the end in focus. I do not enter relationships with my heart, but with my head. Because of this, my relationships are very strong. I am a type of covalent bond. I am the strongest type of covalent. Yes, Kumasi Sectec.
Dative covalent bond.
No. I am the strongest type of covalent bond. Who am I? Konongo Odumase.
Polar covalent bond.
No. St. Mary's. Yes.
Hydrogen bond.
No. Sigma bond. Sigma bond. Okay. Our next riddle. Isaac Newton had a lot to say about me. I am a vector quantity. Strictly, I am a rate of change. I am the rate of change of momentum. Yes, Kumasi Sectec.
Impulse.
No. Who rang the bell next? Okay, Konongo Odumase.
Force.
That's correct. That came on the 4th clue. They have 3 points. Our last riddle. I am part of the male reproductive system. Yes.
The testis.
No. Okay. My name comes from the Latin word which literally means carrying away vessel. Yes, Kumasi Sectec.
The Ultra.
No. Okay, for St. Mary's benefit, even though they are the ladies, they will answer the question about the men. So let's go. I am innervated by a variety of different types of nerve endings. I consist of 2 ducts, which connects the left and right epididymis with the seminal vesicles to form the ejaculatory duct. In vasectomy, I am the structure which is permanently cut. Who am I? Yes, Michaelina.
Sperm duct.
I'll give it. So that brings us to the end of round 5. At the end of round 5, the scores are St. Mary's Senior High School 17 points, Konongo Odumase Senior High School 17 points, Kumasi Secondary Technical School 22 points, Technical School qualifies for the quarter-final stage of the competition. Kumasi Secondary Technical School, congratulations. Konongo Odumase Senior High School and St. Mary's Senior High School, thank you for joining us. Better luck next time. We hope to see you next year with a much more improved performance. Thank you for joining us for this contest. We hope to see you at the subsequent ones. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, Girl, Prudential Life Insurance, Airtel Tigo, GNPC, Jano Milk, Newmont Ghana, Puma Drinks, Academic City University College, Accra College of Medicine, Studio HD and YFM. My name is Thelma Ohineje, your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. Thank you and